guys, this is Roach Trip. I'm down in Alaska. It's awful cold down here. It's still wintertime. Anyhow, guys, could you sub up Roach Life's channel? Please, I need subscribers, guys. Anyhow, I still got this bad cough. I got Buckley's cough syrup sent to me from Monkey Boy. Monkey Boy sent me a case of Buckley's cough syrup. Helps some. Anyhow, guys, this hernia's hurting me something awful. I gotta go see a doctor. I'm scared to death, though, I'll die on the operating table if I get this hernia out. But I gotta, guys. I gotta take a chance. Roach Life is hurting real bad. Also got a boil underneath my tongue, and it burns like a bastard. I think I'm gonna cry. Roach Life is doing good, though. I got lots of food for the next 6 years. I got hundreds and hundreds of chicken in a can, and I got 300 cases of sun drops to drink, and then I got Spam, and I got all kinds of canned goods like peaches. Anyhow, guys, if you could send Roach Trip $50 or $100 to Roach Trip's PayPal Gmail, I could use it, guys. Send me money for gas. Anyhow, guys, the Alaska weather is freezing here. I got my fur cap on, but it don't really help me too much. Anyhow, guys, I took 2 or 3 days off of YouTube. Gave it a break. I'm sick of you goddamn trolls harassing me. Won't leave me alone. Anyhow, guys, I had to take away 50 wrenches today. I should never give anybody a wrench. You know what I mean? They don't know how to use it. Anyhow, guys, sub up the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel. He's a folk artist, a comedian, a rock and roll singer, and a boxer. Anyhow, I heard Ramsey can knock you out with a punch if he wants to. Anyhow, guys, sub up the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel now. I'm drinking Folgers in a cup, good to the last drop, trying to keep warm from this cold Alaskan weather. It's so fucking cold here, I think I'm gonna cry. Anyhow, guys, I just love the Roger Brown YouTube channel. Sub up Roger Brown and Lucy. They're really funny on YouTube. I love them videos. Anyhow, guys, I gotta go. I gotta go take my medicine. I gotta go take my Buckley's cough syrup. Bye, guys. I gotta go. Bye. Bye.